Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Administering networks is a primary job for system administrators, and in this video we're going to look at how to set up and troubleshoot networks on Linux systems. Let's go ahead and get started. Linux is a powerful OS used in networking. Understanding its configuration and troubleshooting is crucial for seamless communication, performance improvement, and quick issue resolution. This guide covers setting up and troubleshooting Linux networking. It includes configuration steps, essential tools, and effective problem-solving techniques. To configure network interfaces on Linux, first identify available interfaces using IP-link, show, or ifconfig. Edit the network configuration files based on your distribution. Assign IP addresses, either static or dynamic, and apply changes using the appropriate commands. To configure DNS settings, you can either edit the setresolve.conf file to add named servers like 8.8.8 or use network manager tools like nmcli or nmtui. To set up Linux networking, start by configuring the network interfaces, then configure DNS settings to resolve domain names. Test connectivity using ping or traceroute, and finally check active connections with netstat or SS. Linux involves several powerful tools for managing and troubleshooting networking. Key tools include nmcli, nmtui for network configurations, and IP command for IP addresses and routing, ifconfig for legacy networks and interface configuration. Here are some common network diagnostic tools. These include ping for connectivity checks, traceroute for path identification, netstat or SS for viewing active connections, TCP dump for packet analysis, nmap for scanning networks, and dig for querying DNS servers. To troubleshoot network issues, first verify physical connections. Check interface status with IP-link show or ifconfig. Confirm IP address assignment using IP-ADDR, test DNS resolution with NSLookup or dig, and finally restart network services with sudo systemctl, restart networking, or sudo netplan apply. To troubleshoot networking issues, start by checking network usage using iftop or nload. Identify packet loss using ping, investigate high latency routes with traceroute, and finally optimize MTU settings for the network interface. For more troubleshooting for network issues, start by testing connectivity with ping. Check firewall rules using IP tables or firewall-d, and verify route tables with IP route. Finally, inspect the logs and /var/log for error messages. To check open ports, use SS or netstat. Ensure the service is running with systemctl status followed by the service name. Configure port forwarding or NAT rules if applicable. To troubleshoot common issues, review logs in the var/log/syslog or var log messages for detailed error reports. Additionally, use journalctl for accessing system-wide logs. In summary, Linux networking is powerful and flexible. Setting up a network involves configuring interfaces, DNS, and routing. Troubleshooting uses tools like ping, traceroute, and TCP dump. Regular monitoring and optimization ensure high performance and availability. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's given you a good head start on setting up your network with Linux and some troubleshooting tips. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.